Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will be doing some chai nails because why not? I love chai and I guess you do too. So I'm starting the nail art with the Unt Peel Off Base Coat because I just want to collect peelies. So all you have to do is apply a nice coat of this peel off base coat. Then I'm applying this Gingernut Biscuit from Nykaa. I applied 2 coats of it. One coat is like really sheer. So that's what I'm doing right now. After that I applied some liquid latex because there will be a lot of dabbing in this video. Then I'm using this Nykaa Marsala Chai and just take a little bit of the nail polish and just stamp it across the outer side of your nail. Just see what I'm doing here. And I just want to create a gradient sort of effect with this. And that's what I'm doing right now. Also be careful while you use a peel off base coat because mine kind of started to lift up a little bit. Then I went ahead and applied some Holo top coat because Holo makes everything better. Then I'm using this Coffee Tea and Gonutz 01 and Express Your Nails 01 from Lina stamping plates, the Starry Sky stamper and MDU bones. So I'm first of all stamping these cups on my middle fingernail and just remove. Then I am stamping these rings, the chai rings, on my index and pinky finger. After that I'm picking up this nail art lover and I removed the nail and art and only stamped lover on my ring finger. After that I stamped these letters because there's not a single quote about chai on that tea stamping plate. So all you have to do is make a decal out of these letters and now watch me struggle placing a C on my nail. Like this took a lot of time and finally we did it with the magic of editing. And after that apply some glossy top coat which I clearly need to thin out. It's got a little goopy. So I'll take care of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can watch more here or you can subscribe here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.